Damn, this is a weird clock. What's going on here?
Water.
Is that just like a pressure release thing or something?
Yeah. Alright.
Nice. That's a cool clock though. I like it.
Zone 1's on right now. Can you go get me the cushion?
Yeah, now I gotta get up.
Well, I'll let him cut everything off first.
Okay. Well, that should be interesting.
And all the hoses go up behind this thing.
So what are we trying to do here?
Zone 4 is not got water pressure in the hose.
Yes.
And water pressure is what keeps the heads off.
Yeah, because it's hydraulic system.
Yeah. So what it does is, oh shit, let me get it.
Be careful, man.
What it does is it holds water in the hydraulic lines to keep the heads cut off. Well, when you release that water out of that line, it causes the heads to come up because they're all on the main line anyway.
Yeah.
So when they come on, and then when they're ready to cut off, it shoots water back into that line and pressurizes that line again and cuts them off.
Okay.
And
interesting.
It's highly unusual that there would be 2 heads on a zone that was thing, because there's only 2 heads per zone anyway.
Weird. Still one of the coolest type of irrigation systems though.
Yeah, I mean, there's no electricity for no thunderstorms or nothing, lightning and everything to hit. All thing you can fry is this, it can't touch the heads.
Yeah, I'm surprised that clock's still hanging around.
Yeah.
How old's that clock? Like when did they make those?
Probably in the 70s and 80s.
Good God, that is old. Okay, well, I guess it's time to wait for him to get all the way back up here.
You gotta turn the water on first.
Yeah. The 2 heads on the infield thing?
The back of infield.
Back of infield?
Yeah, those are the ones that ain't going off.
So those are the ones that are just having problems.
Right now.
So you turned it off, right?
So watch, these 4 in the infield should go off. Yeah, the 4 in the infield went off.
That thing is so weird.
See, now you got 2 out there, or 3. Might be 3.
And these just ain't cutting off.
So you got 3
yeah, there's 3. Huh.
Those 2 right there ain't cutting off.
That's weird.
Yeah. Okay, now those are cut off.
So you're saying you're gonna have to dismantle the front of this thing and figure the heck out of this.
Yeah. Okay, so that's 3. Now let's see if this is 4.
Is that one not?
It's cutting off.
Yep,
They
there it
cut off
goes.
slow.
Ah,
So that's them 2 now.
Okay. What would you turn on now?
Zone 5. Over here.
I should take that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It did. No, that head's definitely died down since it started. Oh, it's really trying to shut off.
Yeah.
But that could also be just water pressure dying it down when it starts up these big heads.
Watch it. Watch it cut off right as it gets there.
Oh yeah, that would be hilarious.
There it went. Almost. That's the valve in it.
Yeah. So these have valves in them.
Yeah. The head, look, the head's about that much taller.
Yeah.
And in the bottom of it's got another valve that's underneath the head that opens up the water and everything. It's got a quick ring.
That went quick.
Yeah.
Way too quick.
See, a lot of times that's what you got to do is just keep on
Yeah.
going through the system, just flush it out and everything.
Flush her out, all that stuff, and yeah. Basically all we did today was maintenance.
Yeah, we just went through it.
We just maintained it. Which
It was harder at the other job we just got back from.
Yeah, and that one was meant to be easy.
Not really. Startups ain't really always meant to be easy. Now, if you've been maintaining it over the years, yeah. But whenever you got somebody say that doesn't maintain it and then you're taking it over,
Yeah.
that's what you got to look out for.
Oh yeah. Very, very true. Well, it's been a fun time revisiting this place again.
Yeah.
Now, that's one of the old, like 50-plus-year-old style systems.
Oh yeah.
That's what I thought.
That hydraulic stuff.
But that's a cool type of system right there.
Yeah, hydraulic stuff they don't make no more.
Yeah, they make the heads, but
they make the heads, but
the heads are going to come obsolete whenever the systems sort of just perish.
Yeah. But like I said, hydraulic systems were the thing back then because you didn't have to worry about no electricity going through it, so lightning didn't hurt it.
Because nowadays you get like clocks blown off the walls,
Yeah.
and when that happens, all the valves get blown out.
But now I have seen lightning hit the line, the water line in the ground, and
Yeah.
busted all the shit, shred it like crazy. But you know.
Oh, I bet. I mean, look at the power those things hold.
Yeah.
Lightning is nothing to mess with.
It followed the pipes with the water in it, and
Yeah.
it just blew it all out. But
Water
we
is
had to
another
fix-
conduit.
we had to wind up fixing probably about 65 foot of pipe.
Good God.
And I mean, it was just splintered. It wasn't just broke in half. It was just splintered.
Surprising. Was it melted too?
No, I think the water kept it from melting. I mean, it happened so fast, it just blew it apart.
Yeah. I mean, look at those slow-mo shots of like boards getting thrown by tornadoes and stuff. When they hit something, they go through it, but they shatter.
Well, what are you talking about? A piece of wheat straw. It can throw it so hard it'd go through a telephone pole.
Yeah, that's the crazy thing.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But I'm just going off of reference how when it throws that, the board just shatters to pieces. Yeah. Well, where are we off to?
Drip job.
Nice. Been trying to figure this drip system out for a while. Finally get some things going, so this line ain't working. So we're gonna try and tie it into the main feed, and it'll get all these plants. Hopefully, it actually gets the ones around the corner. So let's hope this works. Cause, yeah, lots of work for hopefully something.
Okay, where's that teeth? Give me that teeth. Okay, hold that. What the hell? That damn funny pipe.
Damn.
Okay. I got you.
Oh, that's the way you're gonna do it.
Hopefully. I don't know.
Hmm.
Oh, I got a way of doing it, but ain't no problem.
Oh. Okay. Huh. That's good. And that one went in.
Where's that little piece of pipe?
It's over on the stair step, I think. No, where'd it?
Yeah.
It is? Oh, it's on the other side of your phone. Oh, it did go in, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Then again, that is what you use for the bottom of the heads, so
Mm-hmm.
it makes sense.
Okay, so now okay.
And it be on.
Huh?
And it be on.
It's back on. Okay.
Nice.
So I'm gonna go ahead and change this thing out.
Okay. Okay. Oh, well, we got some stuff down there where you repaired the pipe. Stuff here. Do we got water here? Yeah, we do got water there. We got water out of these emitters. That is right there what we searched for.
We got them out of the emitters now.
Yep. Now how about over there at you?
I ain't seeing nothing over here yet. Hold on a minute.
Come on, I hope you see something.
No,
Damn.
right not.
Well,
This got to be tied into something else. This got to be number 7, and it's probably tied into this hill over here. So if we find drip on this other side, a little walkway here,
yeah.
you can tie it in there. It'll probably work all this.
Okay. Well, I'll get these tied in over here and I'll meet you over there.
How's that spray working? No, the other one.
It's spraying. It looks like it's hitting everything.
Okay.
Yeah, I see all the leaves are wet.
Okay.
That's good.
That's what I want. And you can turn that one on there that you whenever you get through cleaning that up.
Okay.
Can we turn it off or you only leave it on?
You gotta love working next to golf courses. You get free goofballs. Well, that's pretty much this side put in. Got all the little spaghetti tubing put in on this to all the plants. All these plants are getting gotten. All those plants are getting gotten. So we should be pretty good out here. Now I just gotta get over there and help him. And take all this stuff with me. It's in. Woo. Well, that's nice. Now let's hope it works. All through there. Where does this go?
I'm hoping it goes underneath here.
I don't see anything going on there.
Give it time. Probably gotta fill everything
Come
up.
on.
Huh?
Come on.
That hose over there is dripping.
It's like stopped making noise. Of course.
Let's take that shovel, clean out around this tree and see if it drips there.
Okay.
I just felt the water when you said that.
I highly doubt you did. I think you're just saying that because you don't want to admit I found it.
It goes through these shoes real quick.
You don't want to admit that I found it. Well, I mean, at least it presented itself.
Yeah.
Did you find it back in there?
It's behind the bushes.
Where at do you think I need to do this? About right up in there?
That tube comes right through here, so it's gonna be somewhere in here. Probably.
Okay. I hear a noise. Oh, right there. Oh, and it's even bubbling up too.
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
Water won't gel it. I just think it sink down.
We got water right there. We got lots of water right there.
That works.
Right there. Right up there. But there's water to this.
Yeah.
So that's progress.
And the emitter up there is probably bad.
Yeah.
Okay, got a leak right here.
Yeah, I know that one. I tried to point that one out to you.
We got something over there still.
Oh, great.
It's back up in there. What happened? Something break loose?
I don't know. It lost a lot of pressure all of a sudden.
Yeah. Is there something leaking up that way?
I'll run around and check.
It's only gonna be to the side.
I hear something. Oh. Yeah, there's a lot of water up here.
There it is.
Yeah. Something's loose. That's for sure.
Yeah.
I'll go get a shovel, dig around with that. You dig around with this. To finding this out. Let's see. Is this the only thing it's coming out of? It might be.
We got pressure then.
Yeah. Ain't nothing going on over here.
Behind you.
Oh yeah.
I say if we put a spray over here, going out there, and a spray here going on that one, that's all we need.
Yeah.
Okay.
Spray and spray.
Alright.
I'll go ahead and cap this one.
Okay.
Let him get the pressure off at this time before I do this stuff.
Right here.
Okay. And who's getting all the way out here?
Yeah.
You think we could turn it down a little?
I'm going to turn this one down. I don't know if I can get over that.
I might be able to. Then again, I don't really care about the water. So let's go. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Oh, it's cold. Okay. That seems to be getting perfectly at the plants now. Let's walk out here and take a look.
You turn down?
Oh yeah, it's making an adjust to the plants.
Man, this is really feeling everything good.
Yeah. This is what we wanted.
That's what they wanted.
And this is what we wanted too.
Yeah, so we get the hell out of here.
So we can get the hell out of here.
Cut the clock off.
Okay. Another place down.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Another one drip from hell.
Yeah, drip from hell for sure. Drip has been like crazy lately.
I don't know who's been taking care of this stuff, but all that drip was cut loose.
Apparently drip all over the county now. Because every drip system we go to help and try and fix, everything's wrong with them.
It's like the one this morning.
What one this morning?
All that startup this morning, all the drip in the backyard.
Oh yeah, every single bit of that drip was gone. That's a nice car over there, by the way.
Yeah, looks like an old Jaguar.
Jaguar. We're about to see it too, come right across us.
Yep, Jaguar.
Nice.
That's XJ12. That, you know what that means?
What?
Got a V12 in it.
Ah. Cool. That's what I think those old Ground Hard Plumbing had a Jaguar V12 or something. At least if I remember correctly from one of their builds. Who knows? Well, that's it for the day. Oh boy. Time to go home and work on my go-kart.